Interspecific hybridization is the mating of option A, superior males and females of different breeds. It is incorrect because this refers to crossbreeding. Option B, more closely related individuals within the same breed for 4 to 6 generations. It is also incorrect because this describes inbreeding. Option C, animals within the same breed without having common ancestors. This is also incorrect because it describes outbreeding or outcrossing. Option D, two different related species. Now, interspecific hybridization involves mating of individuals from two different but related species to produce hybrids, such as mule when horse is crossed with donkey. Hence, it is the correct answer.